Hello everyone, I am going to sketch this beautiful landscape from this reference image of a beautiful house and trees. Would you like to sketch along with me? Come on then, grab your paper and pencils and do stay with me till the end. These are the materials I am going to be using for this sketch. It's a simple cartridge paper and 4 graphite pencils, 2B, 3B, 4B and 10B. Using a 2B pencil, I am now drawing the outline of the sketch that I want to do from the reference image. I am including the reference image here, which is already turned into a black and white image, so that it will be easier for us to see the values that we need to draw in the whole of the sketch. At this stage, we will be marking out only the basic outline of the various elements from the reference image. We will not be marking out too many details at this stage. Once we are finished with the basic outline, we will change over to either a 3B or a 4B pencil and start with our shading. With easy strokes, simple strokes, we go over the lines. We will also be using hatching lines to indicate the shaded part, as I am doing here. These are simple oblique lines with which we do the shading part. We will also be doing layering of this shading. The first layer that we are doing is not going to be the final one. We will be doing over and over it as and how the sketch develops along the way. I am doing the darkest of dark parts, which you need to note down from the reference image. Leave out the whitest of whites as of the white of the paper, and the rest of the parts with the use of oblique lines, either diagonally from right to left or left to right, is what you will be using to do the shading part. We will be going over each and every shape, each and every element from the reference image and filling in the values, that is either the darks or the lights, as and how they are in the reference image. As always, we will need to take care of the direction of the light source. In this case, it is from the top left corner, and therefore the shadows of each and every element will be on the right hand side of each of those elements. This we will need to take care throughout the sketch. Keeping all these things in mind, we will proceed with our entire sketch. To indicate the darker areas, I am using the 10B graphite pencil, which is the darkest of the graphite pencils. This will give a very bold effect to our entire sketch. that's it. Our sketch is done. If you like the video, do subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment and share it with your friends. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get future notifications. Also press on the end screens to watch further videos. Thanks for watching.